And we have an update for you tonight concerning the COVID-19 outbreak at the Coastal Bend Detention Center, a facility that houses federal prisoners outside of Robstown. There are now close to 300 inmates testing positive for the virus. The City County Health Department reporting 280 inmates tested positive for COVID-19 out of the 700 total inmates. But neither the GEO Group, who runs and owns the facility, nor the U.S. Marshals gave us any answers yesterday about what they're doing to try to control the outbreak. After our story ran last night, the GEO Group responded with an official statement to 3 News telling us, quote, "The detention center provides access to regular hand washing and clean water and soap throughout the facility. There is also 24/7 access to health care. The facility is also equipped with airborne infection isolation rooms." The statement also goes on to say personal protective equipment has been provided to staff and inmates. The company also claims it has specialized sanitation teams working to sterilize all the high contact areas. The GEO Group says a total of 36 employees have also tested positive for the virus. 20 of those are self-quarantining at home right now with pay. The other 16 have fully recovered and are back on the job.